Forget blogs and freelance writing. Students are getting weird with ChatGPT, selling workout plans to gamers, breakup recovery roadmaps, even D&D campaigns, and making actual money. Here are 10 creative ways to earn your first $1,000 in 30 days, plus a bonus on why these work when everything else fails. Challenge: pick one and launch it in 7 days. If you're in, subscribe now. Let's go. 10. The D&D Campaign Writer. Starting with the weirdest one because that's exactly why it works. This creative writing major heard his Dungeon Master friends complain about spending 10+ hours preparing campaigns. They wanted epic adventures but had no time. He started selling custom D&D one-shots for $25 each. Using ChatGPT, he'd generate 80% in 20 minutes. Create a 4-hour D&D one-shot for 5 level 7 characters in a haunted mansion. Include NPCs, 3 combat encounters, puzzles, and plot twists. Then he'd add custom maps and personal touches. First month, 38 one-shots, 4 campaigns. One he needed $90. Posted free samples in RD&D and gaming Discord servers. Number 9. The Breakup Recovery Coach. This sounds ridiculous until you see the numbers. College breakups are brutal, and this psych major realized people needed structured recovery plans, not just ice cream and rebounds. She sold personalized 30-day breakup recovery plans for $30. She'd ask ChatGPT, create a 30-day breakup recovery plan for someone who ended a 2-year relationship. Include daily activities, journaling prompts, self-care, and healthy coping for busy students. Then she'd customize based on their situation. Added weekly check-ins and a no-contact contract template. 32 clients first month, $960. Each plan took 30 minutes to customize. She marketed anonymously through confession pages and relationship advice accounts with the angle, forget rebounds, get an actual plan. Number 8. The Email Ghostwriter for Professors. Students suck at emailing professors. Too casual, yo prof, or weirdly formal. This costs them opportunities, recommendation letters, research positions, extensions. This communications major created an email writing service for professor communication. $8 per email. ChatGPT would craft them. Write a professional email requesting a recommendation letter. Context: took their class last semester, got an A, applying to grad school. Tone: respectful but personal. He specialized in sensitive emails, grade appeals, extension requests, research opportunities. His marketing angle? Emails that actually get responses. Number 7. The Yasof's Grad School Essay Editor. Seniors spend $400, $800 on essay editing services and get generic feedback. This grad student at Columbia charged $75 per essay and actually improved them. He'd use ChatGPT for analysis. Analyze this grad school personal statement for law school. Identify unclear thesis, weak examples, missing connections, awkward phrasing. Suggest specific improvements while keeping authentic voice. Then he'd do a 30-minute Zoom to discuss revisions. For $120, clients got essay editing plus the coaching call. 14 clients in month 1. Number 6. The Study Guide Kingpin. This psych major had 300+ students in her class. Everyone was lost. The 900-page textbook was destroying people. She created comprehensive study guides using ChatGPT. Create a study guide from these lecture notes on cognitive behavioral therapy. Include key concepts, definitions, real-world examples, practice questions, and memory techniques. Made them clean in Canva, added practice quizzes. Sold for $15 each. 4 guides total: Intro Psych, Abnormal Psych, Research Methods, Statistics. 71 sales first month, $60. Best part? Sold the same guides every semester to new students. Number 5. The Resume Rescue Service. Campus career services booked for weeks. Students applying with trash resumes, hearing nothing back. This English major created 24-hour resume optimization. ChatGPT transformed weak bullets. Rewrite this. Resume bullet to be achievement-focused. Worked at campus bookstore. Include action verbs and measurable impact. $35 for resume plus cover letter. $50 for the full package with LinkedIn optimization. 29 clients, month 1. $1,050. 1 hour per client total, 30 minutes with ChatGPT, 30 personalizing. His secret, positioned it as 8 optimized and posted before after screenshots anonymously. Number 4. The social media manager for local businesses. Her favorite coffee shop near Boston University was packed daily but had 200 Instagram followers. The 60-year-old owner had no clue how to reach Gen Z. She offered social media management for $300 a month. Used ChatGPT for content. Create 5 Instagram captions for a cozy coffee shop targeting students. Promote morning specials, study atmosphere, new pastries, student discount, latte art. Make them engaging with hashtags. Created a month of content in 2 hours. Took photos on her iPhone. Landed 3 local businesses, coffee shop, boutique, tutoring center, $250, $300 each monthly. 3. The Notion template empire. Every student at NYU was drowning in deadlines and chaos. This business major used ChatGPT to design Notion templates. Design a Notion template for pre-med students tracking anatomy sessions, lab reports, MCAT prep, volunteer hours, research. Include GPA formulas. 6 templates for different majors at $12, $19 each on Gumroad. Her marketing, 3-second TikTok tours, POV, you're actually organized for once. Number 2, the automated job application service. Job hunting sucks. Students apply to 100+ jobs with generic materials and hear nothing. This CS major charged $45 for 5 customized applications. ChatGPT would tailor everything. Rewrite this resume experience to match this job description. Emphasize relevant skills. Use keywords from posting. Clients sent their resume plus 5 job postings. She customized all applications in one batch. 24 clients month 1. $1,080. 2 hours per client total. Her clients got 3x more interviews. She marketed that stat hard and offered a debrief call explaining what she changed so clients learned too. Your move. Practice with your own applications, offer friends free customization for testimonials, package as 5 applications for $40. Number 1, the dorm room personal trainer. This pre-med sophomore watched his dorm floor full of gamers talk about working out, but never actually doing it. Campus gym intimidated them. Personal trainers cost $60+ per hour. He created personalized 4-week workout plans using ChatGPT in 5 minutes. Create a beginner workout plan for 0 gym experience. Building muscle. Equipment, dumbbells and body weight. 30 minutes daily. Spent 15 minutes customizing each plan. Charged $25. Added a 15-minute Zoom consultation and private Discord for questions. The genius? He didn't just copy-paste. That personal touch, the consultation, the Discord community, made clients feel seen. And that's worth paying for. Your move. Survey 10 friends about fitness frustrations, create 3 sample plans, charge $20, $30, aim for 40 sales. Bonus. Why these work when everything else fails. 3 things every successful student had. They solved problems they personally understood. They didn't wait for perfection, launched with good enough, and improved based on feedback. They used ChatGPT as a tool to speed up delivery, not replace their thinking. The math is simple. $25 service x 40 clients, cost you $1,000. Not passive, not overnight, but very doable in 30 days if you actually start. Drop a comment and tell me which method you're going to try first. And if you got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.